What I'm going to show you is how to track the profitability on a particular activity that your business is doing. So if it's a federation, it may be that you're running a number of contracts and you want to know how much profit you're making from each contract, or if you're a GP practice, you may have a pharmacy, you may have an NHS dentist, you may have a travel clinic, and you want to know how well you're doing. The key to this is to set something in here called tracking. So you go to Settings, General Settings, Tracking, and you add a tracking category. You can have two of these in Xero. So let's, and we want to look at how well we're doing on our various contracts. So let's suppose we've got a dermatology contract, Let's suppose we've got a cardio contract. Let's suppose we've got a screening contract. You can actually have as many of these as you like. We'll save this. When we create an invoice, you'll see here now we've got a new column here, contracts, and we assign the contracts that we've just entered into, any income. If we were looking at an expense, purchases, so we're entering an invoice in here. We can assign whatever the expense is to our contract. If it's an item that's gone through the bank, let's suppose that these computer costs for a particular contract. Click on here and we've got the same contract here. You can then produce a report, profit and loss account, which will show you how your contracts have done. There's obviously none here at the moment because I've got no income in here, but you can see how this works. So this is a really useful way using Xero for you to monitor your progress with a particular activity.